Hi boys and girls, hello from me and Fred. Hope you're going to join in today. The next few sounds we're going to practice. Here we go. O, B, K, K. Let's do those again. Ready? O, B, K, K. Good. I hope you remembered them. Now, let's try and make some words and Fred talk. Looking at the board. Here we go. What's that sound? B. What's that sound? I. And Let's Fred talk and put them all the sounds together. B, I, B, I, B, I, bin. Your turn. Good. Hope you worked it out. Okay, this time I. Where's my last letter? There it is. You ready? Joining in with Fred and me. K, I, T, K, I, T, K, I, T. Kit. Good. This one's easy peasy. I bet you know it straight away. Cat. Well done. Join in tomorrow for some more. Practice these sounds. You can replay the video as many times as you like. Bye for now.